Mike, we're on.
Alright, so we've got the Hampton Bay ceiling fan. I think it's a Home Depot brand. It says it's a quick fit installation, 50% faster. And I want to show you what they mean by that. So you can take your styrofoam packaging and use it to set your fan on so you can work. And so here's what's so quick. These fan blades, they just snap in. So you can see here, this side will face up. So you'll make sure you orient that the proper direction. And so all this does is just snap into place. You'll hear it click. No screws. Just snaps in.
Oh. Did that one click?
Yeah, it clicked.
Okay.
Snap. Last one. It also says to pull on them just to make sure they're in. So they're all snapped in. Okay, now here's the light kit. It's got a little place to hook on here. So hook that guy on. They don't really give you a whole lot of space to work with here. You've got a white wire and a black wire. The white goes to white. The black goes to blue. So here's what's awesome about this. Also no screws. This light kit is magnetic. So you just tuck all your wires. The hardest part is getting them tucked. And that's it. So you've done the majority of the fan. And how long was that, Phil?
Not in 5 minutes,
2 minutes probably.
if that much.
So Hampton Bay, what is this called? Oh, it's even color changing. So you can change the color, warm light, soft light, daylight. You can change that on the actual fixture itself. It's remote controlled. And
Indoor or outdoor? Yes, sir.
indoor or outdoor. 50% faster. Very good design. Highly recommend. Anybody that is trying to DIY, that is a very easy fan to put together.
Excellent.
Just wanted you guys to know. Thanks.